The Cooler Master SK653 is a full-size version of the SK622 that features TTC KS32 switches and standard low-profile keycaps. Is it a worthy successor to the SK650? Although I personally have not had issues with the flat keycaps of its predecessor, the standard low-profile keycaps in the latest model are better suited to the general population for better typing accuracy. The TTC KS32 also feels like an acceptable alternative to Cherry MX switches. What has not changed is the SK653 remains to be an extremely minimalist and lightweight keyboard with sleek, clean looks. The full RGB LED backlighting with advanced lighting effects like a built-in snake game will keep you both dazzled and engaged, and this keyboard works with or without software thanks to its self-programming capabilities and internal profile storage. If you want to use it wirelessly, the SK653 lets you use it with pretty much anything that has Bluetooth. If you want to not worry about charging its equivalent 4000 mAh internal battery periodically, its USB Type-C port will keep you connected in a modern way. Areas of improvement include having PBT rather than ABS keycaps, adding an explicit Windows and full keyboard lock indicator, and further strengthening the backplate. For about $140 at press time, the Cooler Master SK653 is a solid full-size Bluetooth mechanical wireless keyboard for those who want the best of both worlds, minimal size and maximum features. Let me know in the comments what you think of this keyboard.